In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Siri on any iPhone that you have. So the first thing we can do is go to Settings, and what you want to do is scroll down until you find Apple Intelligence and Siri. And from here, you might want to turn off Apple Intelligence and go ahead and confirm to turn this off. The next thing you want to do is go ahead to the area where it says Talk to Siri. And go ahead and switch this to, instead of Hey Siri, you want to go ahead and switch this to off. And then go ahead and turn off the press side button for Siri as well. Go ahead and confirm to turn off Siri. And what you might want to do, the last thing you really need to do is go down to the suggestions and go ahead to the suggest apps before searching, and you want to go ahead and turn these off as well. So go ahead and check all of these off. If you really want to go through your apps per se and turn off the access for your apps, you can do that as well. And then you can go through your app clips and go ahead and turn these off as well. So that should be the only thing that you need to do to go ahead and turn off Siri. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy, and I hope